Let's look at this problem. This states that Lina's weight is twice that of Adam. Mario's weight is half that of Adam. What is the total weight of three children? So let us suppose the weight of Lina be L, Adam be A, and Mario be M. Okay. So from here we have to calculate the total weight of three children, and we have been given Lina's weight is twice that of Adam. L is equals to 2A, and Mario's weight is half that of Adam. M is equals to A over 2. So the total weight, we can calculate the total weight if we know the weight of any one of the children. So we have the first case here where we know the weight of Adam, then the Lina's weight is 2A and Mario's weight is A over 2. So from Adam's perspective, the total weight is equals to A plus 2A plus A over 2. That is 4A plus 2A, 6A plus A is equals to 7A over 2. This is the first case. Second, if we know the weight of Lina, that is L equals to L, then the weight of Adam is twice of L. Okay, and Adam's weight will be half of L. Okay, and that the weight of Mario is L over 4. From here it is L over 4. So from Lina's perspective, the total weight is equals to L plus L over 2 plus L over 4. This is 4L plus 2L, 6 plus L, 7L over 4. Or the third case, from Mario's perspective, that is Mario's weight will be M. Here the weight of Lina is, or we can first see the weight of Adam. Adam is twice that of Mario. Okay, and Lina is twice that of Adam. Therefore Lina is 4M. So from Mario's perspective, total weight is equals to M plus 2M, 3M plus 4M, 7M. Here we have the three solutions to the one problem. If we know the weight of any one of the person, we can get the total weight.